Keyway CR152 outer upgrade. Cut seat 3 inches by Anthony Ronquillo. Metal side cover by Anthony Ronquillo. Metal skid plate by Anthony Ronquillo. Metal fenders by Anthony Ronquillo. Swallow tires 130 and 110. Stock carb modified 102 main jet 1442 sprocket set. Low rise spot bar handlebar. Skeleton lead headlight. Classic high rise mini side mirror. Domino brake and clutch lever. Install driving light. Split fire spark plug cap. Pyto ignition coil. Bullet pipe installed. Many LED aluminum signal light. LED strip tail light.